Attention, attention, attention. The Bible says in the book of Matthew chapter 16 and verse 18 that I build my church and no gate of hell shall prevail against it. The clip you are about to watch is a sound warning to all witchcraft communities, marine kingdoms, occultic kingdoms, and all satanic organizations. Stay tuned as you watch this witch who happened to have crashed in the Champions International House of Prayer, Bamenda, Cameroon at 12 midnight prompt. Stay tuned as you watch, as you learn, and as you share to bless someone and encourage someone's faith in Jesus Christ's name. Wow, what's happening here again? It is exactly 12 minutes after 12 midnight, breaking Thursday, 4th February 2021, and during our midnight prayers in the Champions International House of Prayer, Bamenda, Cameroon, a severe noise is heard in front of the church. As the evangelists rush out to find out, they discover an old woman with 2 walking sticks struggling to get up from the floor.
At 12 o'clock this.
You see, say me have a wishma.
Me and my brother come up today. I meet my brother. We want to in a ladder. I see mommy come out so they come soon. I do truck over time my brother and I me wrong come. He want wrong come now. Before the one finish come now, where mommy wrong already dinner for that pool.
If I be not say they cannot come.
You not come for us, sir?
They cannot come for church.
You know if you run because they don't come. Wait till the time. Move the flash. Move on.
We see the woman to shout. She called like that 11:57.
So if you edit for even few times,
Show you that time.
show time for editing me pick up. Pick that time so.
Let me begin go.
They try to interrogate her, but she won't speak. And instantly, the man of God, Prophet Walter NN, is informed, and the man of God, Prophet Walter NN, reveals to the evangelist that she is a witch who has been arrested by the chain prayer which was being offered before 12 midnight. The man of God, Prophet Walter NN, requests that she should be kept at the church premises until he gets to the scene. Meanwhile, the commander of the Army Rescue Brigade, who happens to be our nearest neighbor, is informed of the situation.
I know you know. Stay for Mulang. You stay for Mulang there. I know your house. No, you begin there.
Where is it nice and open?
You say you begin there. It is stay for Mulang here for Street 5. Now my former neighbor. You know me. When they don't enter there, they are trans society. Yeah. They transform. You see, I'm not a prophet. They call it.
The Army Rescue Commander arrives at the scene very early in the morning and coincidentally knows this woman, where she lives and her family, something this woman have refused throughout the whole night, saying that she had 10 children who had all died and which she lives alone.
You stay over there for us.
Born picking, then go off.
You stay
I say I
over.
born picking, then go off.
You born picking and they go off. Why they leave you go off? So you stay has na you one. You stay for has na you one.
This woman, who equally revealed to us that the 2 sticks which she was caught with are her working aids, is immediately disproved by the commander of the Army Rescue Brigade, saying that this woman never works with any working aid in the neighborhood which they both live together.
You never work out stick. You never work out empty hand. But when they want to go for that, I think they work out.
They carry on that.
You never work out.
We'll not give it back. We'll burn on.
This stick so you get a week you use and for do it with them.
I dey work at this so. I dey work at this so. And I dey.
Due to the soft nature of the man of God, Prophet Walter NN, and the evangelist, this woman refusing telling a single truth, but glory be to God, the commander of the Army Rescue Brigade, call in, coincidentally have most of the informations about this woman.
I wish you don't get a village bring over town. So no. They don't bring them from town. They don't support for town. Town don't know the village, right? I know it very well. And the one prophet come me call me.
The commander of the Army Rescue Brigade leaves the scene and promises coming back. Meanwhile, the man of God, Prophet Walter NN, arrives the scene. Noticing that throughout the night this woman refused to speak a single truth and reveal the agenda of her mission, the man of God, Prophet Walter NN, decides to increase his tune, but the witch proves stubborn, requiring harsh methods which the man of God avoids.
Now one kilo, they send you for come for God the house, can't do it for night, for midnight. You will come now for bed or you will come now for snake. You will transform now for waiting, you can't hook. Or you will come now for gongon sardine or for on top broom.
They bring me
They bring you now for instant gongon sardine or for on top broom or for bed or for snake before you land for here. Now who then bring you? You say them bring you, now who then bring you? The people they don't go outside. If you know say don't be wish woman, open your mouth drink this water. If you know say don't be wish woman, now attack this, may I drink am. If you know say no dey do wish, drink the water. Open your mouth, drink the water. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. If you know say no be wish person, open your mouth, drink the water. Yeah. If you know, wait. If you know say no be wish person, open your mouth, may I give you water.
You say.
If you know say no dey do wish, drink the water. If you know say you know the do wish, drink the water. Yeah. Drink or not.
Yeah.
The man of God, Prophet Walter NN, therefore prays on water, drinks it, and gives her to drink if she is not a witch, who came with witchcraft assignments against the church, and the woman vehemently refused to taste a drop of this water.
You come now how? You come now for bed or for broom or for that, you come now for how?
Be that over that wish people so make they can't tell me they do it. They say make I can't sit down for that.
So the mission people are waiting now the one with the unstrong ask them no one tell. The mission people are waiting.
People of God, all you can hear the woman saying is that she was with colleagues who sent her ahead for the mission they were to undertake in the Champions International House of Prayer that night. So she was still waiting for the content of their mission.
You come now how? You come now for bed or for broom or for
that,
you come now for how?
Be that over that wish people so make they can't tell me they do it. They say make I can't sit down for that.
So the mission people are waiting now the one with the unstrong ask them no one tell. The mission people are waiting. You can like say me I send picking them. May they go bring them. Some will go bring some your neighbor or some your friend them. Oh yeah, when they stay for compound. You know you stay you and some person. Mommy, answer me. You know you stay here with some person? Eh? You know you stay with some person? No. You know so your neighbor will go call you because we can go call you. So you don't want me any person know anything about you. You just want day you how you day you so you just want.
I me one so.
Okay, the stay that you want.
Yes.
Who the hell help you for cook chop? Who the hell help you for cook chop?
Not only me.
The man of God, Prophet Walter NN, requests from this woman who to inform about her case, but the witch refused categorically that she knows nobody, the thing which will be disproved by the commander of the Army Rescue.
No, you know, stay for Mulan. You stay for Mulan there. I know your house. No, you begin there.
Where is it? You say you begin there.
It is stay for Mulan here for Street 5. Now my former neighbor.
In searching this woman, we discover witchcraft gadgets like 2 sticks which are actually used to fly, a coin which is used as a monitoring mirror, a razor blade used to do spiritual destruction against people, and equally we discover 2 demonic chains.
I know you. But I'll talk for you beginning. I'll talk for you beginning. Tell your stick. Mommy?
I said that this thing they should not be so normal stick because we don't ask about this stick. They even tell you say not be any kind of money get the stick. Say now only the palace begin them when they give them the stick. This is so. You then ask me say, then the one now come outside because they say the one so. Now they for palace they give them. Wait, so say they still don't stay with you.
He never walk out.
No, they never walk out.
He never walk out stick. He never walk out empty hand. But when they want to go for that, I think they walk out.
They carry them that.
He never walk out.
We not give it back. Banana.
You can see the thing that she was having. This is the razor blade. See, new razor blade. What they used to cut people with. We did pray. We hear for front and boom. We want to come out. We see you with the ashitik. We did tin them. We see you with the taco. We did ashitik. For 12 midnight. You say some people will be send you for here. They send you for can't do waiting for here. So you wish. We caught her here at 12 midnight as we were praying. We heard at the front and boom. When we rushed the front, we saw her. She picked these sticks. She was struggling to run. And she is explaining that she was waiting that the people that have brought her here to come and give her the assignment.
This woman reveals to have walked all the way from a village called Oku in Bamenda, Cameroon, on leg to the church, a thing which is humanly impossible within a day.
Which country?
Oku.
You come on for Oku, come for here. How you do Kwaka can reach for here?
He hard. He no hard for come.
Tell me how you do how you do
Work out with food.
Mommy, your name now who?
Josepha.
Huh?
Josepha.
Josepha. Josepha who?
Josepha with joy.
Mommy, you know fly now for some plane come for here.
No, but you don't talk say you know hard for come out Oku come here. And you know if you use one day for come out to Oku, you can't wish for here. How you do come?
The commander of the Army Rescue Brigade returns back to the church premises as promised and gives this woman a sound warning, as you can hear the woman promising to stop witchcraft practice.
The thing I say, one hand for you, then we
No, no.
we don't catch you for church for midnight.
No, now if you're the how you turn off for we no know. They say the play, how you jump the play, can't play with jump.
Where?
I don't care to win for money now.
Take it, we'll go for it.
Say that it's in there.
Oh, it's in it. Gather a capo.
Come here next time. You are going. You want to go die. You don't hear? No fire yourself inside this territory again. You don't hear? You don't hear? You want a place for God? This thing, you want to get it.
In a duala, they for beat and kill him.
Say what again? For wish. You will come out for wish? You know, eh? You say no. Alright. You will come out again? Talk me, yes. Stop. You will come out again? And if you come for here again, we'll kill you, not be so? Eh? That's all?
The man of God, Prophet Watha NN, officially hands this woman to the commander of the Army Rescue Brigade for him to hand her back to her family, saying that salvation is personal, and therefore warning all the witches and wizards to stay off our land.
Go handle am, leave him. We no go anything for do.
No.
If you don't decide for worship your witchcraft, go you. But no come for our territory.
I don't care plenty so.
Yes, Douala na that work that for Douala. But every time next time, God the power don't fit you this time around. Come again for here, fly come again for here for midnight. Because on that thunder and thunder go fire you. Don't know what me trouble again alive. Wish that we don't hand am, the commandant go caution you like Papa way man this quarter. Find a family, hand am back for a family.
And I get to talk to the family.
So that he can abide the family. You know the way out, whether you want to worship your honor, which kind God, will not disturb with you. You there for here, you worship your own God. Do your own for your own land, don't come for our land. Because if you come for our territory, the power of our own God, it must disgrace you. Or we don't disgrace you now, so we don't give for commandant, say can stop witchcraft. So we have handed it to commandant so that he will go and hand it to his family.
Listen to the report of the Army Rescue Brigade commander.
Good morning, Commandant.
Welcome.
Thank you. Be here with you from the Champions International House of Prayer on the case for the woman where they pray for church the other day. He fall for outside. We woke up see him and we call in the army rescue because we know say na people wey dey do fine work inside this town. They dey save life, they dey save material. We dey see them how they dey work every day. Na you wey we don come right for una headquarters for una office find out how you don manage that issue yesterday about that woman wey we catch am for church.
Okay, thank you. Yesterday, early in the morning, I first received phone call about midnight. Say there was a woman wey don come for church. We don't appear for church. So I don't feel come out at midnight. Early in the morning, I can't go see the situation. I go see and say the woman, the witchcraft, we for night that time they do their own operation. When people don't sleep for midnight, they hold two stick them for your hand with rosary. There is a blade where it shows in that blade where it tear people there, and then that two stick them. Then the stick they use them for fly with them. So I can't read now for there. When the prophet come, then we'll take a conclusion. How a prophet become, he hand over the woman for me. But the man of God said, all right, that face na face one now for Mulan. Make I like take the woman, bring it from my camp, then later on, go find the family for quarter. Then me they try for talk for the mommy. So as I take it camp for camp, later on I go for quarter. As men mommy go inside my motor, the mommy turn mumu. I dey talk in the talk, I dey talk in the talk. Until I go threaten it for quarter. Today, before he start talk for me, I go see boy picking. Neighbors will testify say they didn't sleep for here. For night until walk inside house on top ceiling like rat. Then a baby rat. But when they're not mommy, so no be mommy first operation. You don't always operate so. So I tell you, because the next time, if your mommy do that action again, sometimes I got run key mommy. So they make me. Then after the mommy thank me, say, why am I picking? I thank you very much. They say for that group, the other ones are there for village.
Yeah.
Now he there for town, and it be obliged for continue because now team not there for blood. We no fit change either. So
it be like an old a covenant where they don't make am say na so they go dey live
yes,
on.
then there is some trans society, and in the village that mommy is more than 95 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Okay,
should
no
say,
problem for
power where you get yourself, you might be young boy. I never will stand that mommy.
yeah, because we struggle say if you know we witch, me drink that water.
We deny.
He overpower we three, we leave am. If fight with three lock mouth, say no go drink that water, we leave am.
So but at the moment, I don't want to live for a family. And I tell your family, say, next time I see that mommy for night, mommy for 95 years, what I do it for 12 midnight. So, I have a family, then I come back.
When you can't take this woman for church, you see whether church brutalize you or church do anything bad for you.
No. When I can't take this woman for church, as that midnight they will see, church no brutalize you. Church keep you for some place where she don't for them, sleep till morning. And I can't meet you for morning where he there now for the place. So church take care of you. They always just there around, although they manifest symptoms of witchcraft. Yes. But the boys will be too courageous. But they always mean till that morning time. So church not do anything bad for the mommy. Church will want that peace, because if church be wicked, they will directly call maybe police or call quarter. But they call me because it don't have my territory, and we don't always get a good relationship with church. It pray for we all. That's why peace don't come from Mula.
Amen. Commandant, one thank you plenty for this wonderful mission where you don't execute am. And I will one pray say may God dey continue for the keep una mona dey do una work fine for this town. May God dey protect una, protect the army rescue, mona dey serve people and dey serve materials, so that we no go dey go into unnecessary jungle justice where if this thing may happen for some place, people start hala quarter comot, bad boy dem go start dey beat the woman say na him dey hold their star, because with people dem they dey their own for society. So suffer wey people dey suffer na with people dem be responsible, because they dey act na in mysterious way, and you no fit explain the fact say we dey pray for church for midnight, we hear boom for front door, we wan come, we see man dey try for run with stick, you go begin to explain say na something different from witchcraft. There is no accident here, na witchcraft. Wey you two don go for day, go do your own findings, you discover say na witchcraft. So but the way for manage the thing, e be very important. No, you don't necessarily need for going to brutality and beatings and killing. We just need to come finally to a compromise and counsel the soul the way we don't counsel it. Discipline the soul. If you like for join, worship God, good. If you like for continue for that way, now your own choice, because God don't give all man choice. Say Go the way where you want to go and for this way. Me, I don't already give you life. Use your life the way you like am. But he tell you say if you lose am, now with me you go find. If you want use the other side with Satan, you no go find for you. So we thank you very well the way you manage this issue, Commander. And may God bless you and your element and the entire army rescue in Jesus' mighty name. So people of God, we have just come to an interview with the commander for the army rescue. As you can see, who had handled this issue very professionally. This woman was handed to him and he went and handed this woman to her family, and the matter was cleared very, very smoothly. So we are out to serve, but salvation is personal. They don't force, as some people may be thinking that why can we not pray and deliver this woman. Prayer works when you accept from your heart. You need to open up your heart for prayer to work. When it comes to Jesus Christ, they don't force. So if you don't open up your heart, they cannot force you to repent or force to pray and deliver you. You must first of all have that acceptance. But as you must understand, there are many people who have entered in a covenant with the devil. They have already sold their soul with the devil, which they believe that they cannot come back again. And when you tell this kind of people that no, they can pray for you, you can come back, they will not believe. So this woman will not believe that maybe they can pray for her and she will be delivered from this witchcraft cult. It's a cult, witchcraft cult. She cannot believe that they can pray for her and she will be delivered. So prayer is for those who believe. That's why the Lord Jesus says in the book of John 4:48, except people see miracles, signs and wonders, they will not believe. This is why God is doing these miracles through us here in the city of Bamida, so that people should see and believe, because miracles is happening in the Champion International House of Prayer. If you have not known through this situation that has happened to this woman, you should get to know the Champion International House of Prayer and witness the true miracles of Jesus Christ, where you are not asked to sow a seed or to pay anything or to pay offering or to buy anything in the church or to do anything. You just come to church and receive your prayers and you receive your own miracles and go your way. If even you don't have offering, you are welcome to the Champion International House of Prayer.
After this incident, 2 days later during our Sunday life service, a witchcraft agent from another kingdom testifies how they were equally invited for the mission to come and uproot the roof of the church that same night, but their kingdom turned down the invitation, revealing that one member of their kingdom has come to this church to receive Christ. No one can battle against the Lord.
Gladys? Yeah. Did you go see the agent of witchcraft that came to Ada? Yes. They came from which kingdom? They are from this side. This other way. This other way? Yes. They came to destroy the roof. The roof of the church? Yes. What happened? They begged for all the wishes to me. I will refuse. Okay, then when they were coming, they invited you people, you refuse? Yes. In your own witchcraft kingdom? Yes. So when they finally came, they came how many of them together? They came in their kingdom. They came the 3. They came the 3? Yes. When they came here at midnight, breaking Thursday, what happened? They arrested one and 2 flee away. 2 flee away? Yes. So they thought that they were coming to destroy us? No, they don't want to destroy you people. They want to disgrace you. They want to remove your roof. Why don't they want to destroy us? They want to remove our roof. Because when they remove your roof, they will say they have won over you. Now that you people have come and prophesy us the whole world now, what will you do? You are agent of witchcraft. They have made us known all over the world now. We will not do anything. So tell the witchcraft commission I have launched war against them. All their projects and people now, I will attack them with double force. You said one of our members yesterday. Here she came and she told us. It's just that this man. I said one of your members. Yes. When? Yesterday. When? In our kingdom, when we are practicing witchcraft, he told us that let's come here and surrender to God, and we'll abuse her.
We abused her seriously, and she left us. Okay, one of your members in the witchcraft community have left you people to come and surrender to God. Yes. Shout for Jesus.
And that's what we have been doing in the city of Bamenda for the past 4 years that we are now in the city. God bless you for watching this documentary. Stay tuned on Champions TV. Goodbye.